Okay, recording. Is it recording? Is this recording? Yes. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to Liveatpcdotcom. My name is Afiq and today we are doing another unboxing video. So last week we received a package from Fitbit Malaysia. So if you don't know what Fitbit is, Fitbit Inc. is an American consumer electronics and fitness company headquartered in San Francisco, California. So on their website you will see products such as their smartwatches, apparel, and other health smart devices. So for today we will unbox the Fitbit Sense, which I was told is in this package, but we're also going to see what else is in this package. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. The package itself is very nice. I like the color, looks really cool. Alright, so in the box we have all of these items right here. Okay, so we have the watch right here in the middle, the Fitbit Sense. This will come out later this October, so we are one of the first people to try this out. Don't be jealous. We're gonna put the watch aside for a bit, so let's see what else is in the box. We have a sleep mask. Right, cool. How do I look?
Good!
Yay.
Because I can't see your face.
I can't see you either.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a sleep mask here. What's inside this box? It's stress relieving tea. Alright, for those tea lovers, this is for you. The ingredients are, I can't read the first word. You're gonna need this.
Yeah.
Yes, to our editor, which is me later. Future me, this is the word. I can't pronounce it. And also lavender. I've never tasted lavender. Is it okay? Is it nice? In this box, we have a ball. It's a rubber ball. It's a stress ball. Okay, it has the Fitbit logo on it. Does it bounce? Perfect. So whenever you're stressed, you can squeeze the ball or throw it at the people causing you stress.
Catch it! Okay.
I might throw it at you, but I lost the ball. Okay, in this tiny box, we have a Claire aromatherapy lavender. So you have the lavender tea and the lavender scent. What is lavender?
Flower.
It is a flower. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't remember the smell. That is all in the package. So now let's get into the watch itself, people. The moment you've all been waiting for. So let's unbox the watch, okay? Oh, it's already turning on. That's good. That looks really cool. Alright, so let's see what's in this compartment. Okay, you have like the extra wristband. You have your product information, your manual instructions, whatever you need to know. And then here you have the charging cable. I'm assuming this is a charging cable. I think this is a charging cable. The Fitbit watch itself looks really nice. Looks really good. Okay, putting all these other items aside. So the Fitbit Sense is Fitbit's new addition to its line of smartwatches. And the color that we received for the Fitbit Sense is carbon, graphite. It's black. Okay, it's black. Okay. It also comes in another color, which is lunar white and soft gold. That I can pronounce. So just like the other Fitbit devices, I'm assuming, you can connect your Fitbit Sense to the Fitbit app, which you can download on Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Now, according to Fitbit, the Fitbit Sense is your guide to better health, as Sense keeps you informed and empowered with innovative stress, skin temperature, heart, and sleep features. Very interesting indeed. What does that all mean? Let's get into that. So the Fitbit Sense has a 1.58-inch AMOLED panel that's a little rounder than the Versa 2. The Fitbit Sense comes with an EDA scan app which detects your electrodermal activity.
Can you dumb it down for me?
It basically means that it can indicate your body's response to stress. Now when it comes to smartwatches, obviously you need good battery life. You don't want the watch suddenly dying on you. So according to the website, the Fitbit Sense can last up to more than 6 days. It tracks your morning, night, and everything in between without needing to stop for a charge. And when you do need to charge, don't worry, it won't take you a full day to charge. The Fitbit Sense will give you a full day use in just a 12-minute charge. Now, like any other smartwatches out there, you'll be happy to know that the Fitbit Sense can notify you on text messages, calls, any notifications that you may have. So you won't be totally disconnected from the digital world. The Fitbit Sense is set to be water resistant up to 50 meters deep, which is basically 10 to 15 stories deep. So if you drown, you'll most likely die, but your watch can still live though.
That's kinda dark.
All jokes aside, basically means that you are safe to wear this when you're in water, so you can go for a swim without taking this off. Now when you're out in the open, like when you're jogging or hiking or running to catch the train or running away from your neighbor's dog, Don't ask. You can use the built-in GPS to see your pace, distance on Sense, then see a map of your workout in the Fitbit app. Now, if you keep losing your phone, which I'm sure many of us do, matter of fact, I don't know where mine is.
Nah, it's here. Never mind.
Oh, it's there?
Yeah.
Okay, then I don't need to watch them. But let's say you don't have anyone to help you to find your phone. The Fitbit Sense has a built-in Find My Phone app. All you do is just tap and activate an alert and your phone will continuously ring and vibrate until you can locate it. But if your phone is dead or turned off, then good luck. Now here's one for the ladies. You can know your body better by using Sense and the Fitbit app to log periods, record symptoms, track your ovulation, and discover patterns in your cycle. So that is all for the unboxing video for today. If you wish to know more about the Fitbit Sense, you can go to their website at Fitbit.com, or you can read our full review on our website at Liveatpcdotcom when it's out. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at Liveatpcdotcom on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will see you all in the next video.